Hey guys, welcome to another video with me, your girl Latoya. Now, as you saw in the title below, I'm going to be refreshing this 5 weeks old twist into this. As I mentioned earlier, this hairstyle is 5 weeks old and I want to wear it for another 2 weeks. The hair that I'm wearing is called the Spring Afro Twist Hair in the color 1B350, which is basically burgundy mixed with black. However, my go-to color is 1B, which is black, and this is how it looks. You can go ahead and check out this video in my description below. Now, let's get into this video. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is to undo the twist along the hairline, and I want to make sure that the hair does not get tangled up because this is the very same hair that will be used. Now, I love my center part, and as such, the braids in the middle behind the front row will also be refreshed. Now, I'm also going to refresh the back portion of my hair and go in to wash the front portion only because a week ago I had washed my entire hair. Now that my hair is washed and dried, it is time to reinstall. Now, as you can see guys, I do not have a lot of hairline, however, I make it work. The gel that I'm going to be using is called the braiding gel, and you can always use whatever gel it is that you have at hand, but this is the one that I'll be using today. The first thing I'm going to do is to go around the back section of my hair first, and I'm just going to part down the middle so I can have 4 twists at the back. Looking back at it, I wish I had done 5 twists instead of 4, but it worked. Now guys, the installation method is basically reusing the same braid that I took out, and I just start with a braided pattern, and then once my natural hair falls in the middle, I will go ahead to twist the hair. For a more in-depth tutorial on the installation method, let me pull from a previous video to show you how it's done. Now this is how the hair look in the package. This is one strand of the hair, and what I'm going to do is to separate this strand of hair into 2. So therefore, one strand of hair can give you 2 twists. I am also going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's Curler to moisturize my hair. Now you can use whatever moisturizer it is that you have at hand. Next, I'm going to go in with my gel and apply the gel to the base of my hair. Now I'm going to take the separated strand of hair and hold it down the middle, and I'm going to wrap it around my natural hair. Therefore, my natural hair will become the 3rd strand of hair. Now what I'm going to do is to do a braid pattern going downwards around 4 to 5 times, or until I'm sure that my natural hair is secure. And then once my natural hair falls in the middle, I'm going to separate it into 2. So each of my natural hair goes with the braid itself, and then I go ahead and twist the hair. Now you do not want to twist too tightly. You want to twist as soft as possible so the hair can get the bounce that it has. So I have completed the back portion of my hair. Now, as you can see here, I'm not going to redo the hair above my ears. I'm just going to go in with the front section because I don't have time for that. Now, for the front section, I'm just going to follow the parting from behind. And what I like to do is to retrace my parted section with the gel so it can be clean and neat and tidy as possible. So as always, I apply the gel to the base of my hair, and I'm just going to go now with the used strand of hair and reinstall it. So it's the same method. I do a braided pattern, and then once my natural hair falls in the middle, I will go ahead with the twist. Now, for this time around, I do not have my Aunt Jackie's Curler or whatever moisturizer. What I'm simply going to do is to use the very same gel to rub on my natural hair and then go in with the twist. So guys, this is how the hair looks after all the reinstallation is done, and I am truly loving the fresh look. I also love that the hair is bouncy and springy as how it's supposed to look, but because this is my final 2 weeks of having this hair in, I'm just going to change it up a bit, and I'm going to place these hair in some hot water. Now guys, for the hardest part of this reinstallation is to get these hair straightened. Now I've already went ahead to section my hair in 4, and I'm going to go ahead with my towel to make sure that I do not get any burns. And so let's get started. Now I'm going to do the one at the back with the rubber band. I'm not going to remove the rubber band. However, for the others with the hair tie, I will definitely remove the hair tie. Now guys, you want to be careful as possible. If there's anyone at home to assist you, let them assist you. I was at home alone, so I had to do this by myself. So you want the hair to soak into the hot water for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then once you remove it, make sure that your towel is there so you do not get any burns. I repeat. Now guys, you can definitely see the difference with the hair that was placed in the hot water and the hair that is naturally springy. For me, I prefer the springy look. However, for the one that is placed in the hot water, to me, it's easier to style. Now I'm just going to go in with my mousse, and what the mousse does is to help to hold on frizz and add little sheen to the hair. So guys, this is the final look. I am so in love with this hairdo. You cannot tell that this hair was done 6 weeks ago or 7 weeks ago. I am ready to rock this for another week or 2. Now guys, I went ahead to also style this hair. You can do this updo, and let me tell you guys, this is so cute. I also went ahead to flip it to the side just to give you some more versatility. I also like this one, which is more like a teacher office work or for an interview. And then I have this one, like what I'm saying, girl, talk to me. But you know, I love my hair down my face, so I went ahead to pull the two from the front to have some drop in my face. And then this is the Power Puff one that I love, where I went ahead to put the hair into buns. And at the gym, they call me the Power Puff girl. I was so like into it. And talking about gym, let me show you my gym fit. So this is what I'm wearing to the gym today. Guys, I've lost a lot of weight and I'm still on my weight loss journey, and I'm going to take you on that journey one day. Now, if you're new to my channel, thanks for clicking onto this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs up this video, post your comments and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.